Okay, we are studying the NC control systems. In the previous session, we have seen the PTP control system. This is another diagram for the PTP control system. PTP stands for point to point positioning NC system. In point to point positioning NC systems, you can see this control system makes use of to position the tool only to this particular location. Here, this location and this location, and no machining is performed between these two locations. Only the tool is positioned at the predefined locations. So you can see this is the tool path. This is the tool path. This is also the tool path. So the tool starts from here and it is used for positioning the tool. You can see the operation is performed at each point locations. So at each point locations the operation is performed. The best example for this control system is the NC drill press. Okay, this advantage of this control system is it is very readily available at very less cost. Okay, next control system is after PTP. We will see the straight cut NC, because in PTP you cannot do the machining of linear configurations or rectangular configurations. So we will now study the straight cut NC. In straight cut NC, you can see the tool is moving. The tool is moving here parallel to the principal axis. Principal axis is here, x-axis is principal axis, and here y-axis is also principal axis. So the tool path is very simple. It is parallel to principal axis. The operations are performed during the tool movement parallel to x and y axis. Here the drawback is it cannot do the machining where multiple axes are controlled. You cannot control more than one axis at a time. That is, you cannot machine the inclined lines. If the profile is inclined line, you cannot do the machining. Okay, and if the profile is arc or part of the arc or part of the circle, you cannot do the machining. So straight cut NC, it includes PTP systems also. It includes point to point positioning systems also. Apart from locating the tool, it does the machining operation. It is used for machining only rectangular configurations. That is, for example, milling operations. The next advanced system is contouring system. This is contouring system. Here you can see the complex geometries. Any complex geometry is being generated here. You can see this is the arc, this is straight line, once again this is arc, straight line. Okay, see the complexity of the profile that is being generated. It is possible only in contouring NC systems. Contouring is also known as continuous path. Continuous means you can generate any path, any given path, linear, inclined line, arc, all the paths you can generate. So most of the complex geometries are machined in a machine that has contouring NC control system or continuous path NC control system in a two-dimensional operations. Okay, this is the contouring NC system. So there are three types of control systems that are PTP, straight cut and contouring NC. Okay.